Alright guys, we're back again. Today we're working on a high-rise building. Contractor gave us a call saying the management stopped him while he was renovating the bathroom because they found out that the plumbing inside the wall and the copper water lines looked real corroded and they want them changed. This building only allows you to use soldering and not that BS Pro Press. So again, we're the soldering guys. Everybody in the area likes using Pro Press. We don't, so that's why we got called. As you can see here, I got little clips here and there. I didn't do a full video because I had busted my knee over the weekend and I'm in serious pain. I just couldn't set up the camera correctly, so I just did little shots here and there. You can see me here kneeling. It's my right knee that's all shot, so I can't even bend it. So I just do little shots here and there just to give you guys a little view of exactly what we do if we need to rough out a bathroom in copper. And it's, for us, it's no big issue. A lot of people say, oh, just do copper and pro press it or use PEX. Not us. If you want us to run copper, we'll do it, and we'll solder every joint and make it nice and clean. As you can see here, the contractor did already metal studs, so we had to drill a couple of them, and we use Mickeys to support him in between the metal studs. That way they don't rub against the metal and create issues in the long run. And again, there's no rattling with the nice Mickey straps. So you can see me here, there's a couple solder joints we had to do. And also thing, we had to tell the management to shut the water off to the building because we need to add some shuttle valves for the bathroom. So what we did is we cut out all the old water lines and we brought the feeds underneath the vanity so we can install two ball valves. So if there's a issue down the road, there's going to be a little access panel underneath the vanity. You can shut the two valves, hot and cold, and the whole bathroom will be shut down. That way, you know, in case of an emergency, you don't have to go shut the building off and the whole riser and all things like that. So that's a big plus we added, and everybody was happy with that. Management liked that idea, and that's what we did. So again, here there's a little solder joints we're doing. This is for the toilet. Let me know what you guys do for the toilet, guys, when you rough out. What height do you do it at? Usually I do it about 7-8 inches because everybody in my area uses high molding, base molding. So a lot of guys do it about 6 inches or lower, and I think it looks like shit when the water line's so close to the molding you can't put a nice escutcheon over it. So we do a little higher. So you can see here, guys, don't forget that burn shield when you are gonna soldering, so you don't burn nothing up and it looks like garbage. That was the only place I had to use a shield because I had a 2x4 holding up the diverter. And yes, guys, that 2x4 is rated for fire. It's fire rated. Contractor bought a special for us because this has to be fire rated wall. So once we did that, you can see here the water lines to the sink, hot and cold. The two ball valves, like I mentioned, to shut off the water to the whole bathroom. And everything, you see the two Mickeys, everything's strapped up real nice to the metal studs. All copper. Again, we use L copper. Contractor is going to be doing a shooter system, however you pronounce that. We installed the Delta diverter with a handheld and a shower head. Customer's going to be super happy once this is done, and at least peace of mind. He got new copper water lines. The drains, we didn't have to change them, so we're all good there. If you live in North Jersey and need some plumbing work done, give us a call. See you on the next one. See ya.